Welcome to Talking Time with Buford T. Shylock. So today we're going to be doing a video on a Waltham pocket watch. It's a little lady's one. It's a really nice one. It's 14 karat gold with 3 diamonds on the back. It's a really nice one. I cleaned the case up a bit. And I just cleaned this one the other day. I serviced it, and it's a pretty good runner. It was made 1908, I believe. And I believe the model was 1894. It was made originally. And it's a very nice watch. I've had it for about 4 years now. It's 14 karat solid gold. It's a pretty small one compared to others. But it's a really nice one. It runs really well. And it's a fun piece to have. It was given, I forgot to who it was given, but it was given in 1906 as a Christmas gift. But I think it was made around 1908. Don't quote me, but I think. And it's double hinged for the back and front. It's a Hunter case. And it's got red markers on the dial. Unusual. Most of the time they're blue. Don't know if that color really, you can see it, but the red outer number markers, I should say. And yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on this little pocket watch. I've been wanting to do one for quite a while, but I finally got around to doing it. So, there. One project done that I don't have to worry about for another couple of years to service it. So, I will talk to you next time. Bye.